Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing the hardware and app so setup flows smoothly. First, plug the Chromecast into an open HDMI port and attach the USB power cable to a wall adapter or a reliable TV USB port. You need steady power because some TV USBs underdeliver. Once done, turn the TV to that HDMI input and have your phone or tablet ready on the same Wi-Fi network. Next, download and open the Google Home app so you can begin device discovery and pairing. You'll now walk through pairing and network configuration in the app. Open Google Home, tap the plus icon to add a new device, and allow the app to scan. Confirm the 4-digit code shown on your TV to verify you're connecting to the right Chromecast. Then select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Use the same band your phone uses, since mixing bands can prevent discovery. Make sure to accept any firmware update the device requests. After that, give the Chromecast a clear name and assign a room for simpler casting. You're ready to cast. Open a compatible app, tap the cast icon, and select your Chromecast to start playback. If video looks off, make sure the TV input matches the HDMI port, adjust display or resolution settings in Google Home, and enable guest mode for visitors. If things go wrong, a single strong troubleshooting tip. Verify the Chromecast has reliable power and try a different HDMI port or the included HDMI extender. If needed, reboot the Chromecast and router to clear network hiccups before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.